in the fridge where it's nice and cool, there's one very simple rule. Once you have found what you're looking for, do me a favor and shut the door. Shut the door! Hey, close the door. You're letting out all the cold. You again? I'm gonna have to get a lock for that door. Is it cool in here? Or is it just me?